Welcome, today we're going to show you how to enable virtualization on Windows without opening BIOS settings. So how to actually do that? First, on your Windows device, you need to click on the Windows Start key as you from here. After that, you need to search for Run command or Run menu. Click on Enter after that. And from here, you need to write optional features. Hit on OK. And now this menu will open for you. So from here you need to actually go to virtual machine platform and turn it on. After that you can just hit on OK and that will enable the virtualization for you without opening the BIOS settings. So from here there's a lot of features that you can actually turn on without opening the BIOS settings. There's legacy components, internet information services, as you from here, Windows projected files, and there's a lot of things that you can actually just turn on. After that, you need to hit on OK to make sure that it's actually turned on. So after that, the virtualization will be turned on your Windows machine. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.